10 speed cleaning tips the pros use. Cleaning your home doesn't have to be a time-consuming task that takes up your entire day. Professional cleaners know the tricks of the trade to get the job done efficiently while still delivering excellent results. By adopting these time-saving strategies, you too can speed up your cleaning routine and enjoy a spotless home with less effort. Stay tuned to the very end of this video and I'll share my 11th bonus tip I use every time I clean. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. As promised, here are 10 speed cleaning tips the pros use that can transform how you approach cleaning your space. 10 speed cleaning tips professionals use. Number 1, start with a declutter. Before you begin cleaning, remove any clutter. Professional cleaners always declutter first, as it allows them to clean surfaces without needing to shift items around constantly. Tip: have a basket or bin handy for collecting items that don't belong to put in another room. You can sort through them after the cleaning is finished. Why it works? With clutter out of the way, you'll have fewer obstacles and can clean more efficiently. Tip number 2 is to work top to bottom. A golden rule for professional cleaners is to always clean from the top down. This way, any dirt or dust that falls as you clean will be picked up when you move to the lower surfaces. So you can start by dusting your ceiling fans, light fixtures, and shelves before moving down to the counters, tables, and floors. Why it works? You won't have to clean the same surface twice, which saves you time in the long run. Speed cleaning tip number 3 is to use the right tools and products. Having the right tools and products on hand is key to cleaning like a pro. Use microfiber cloths, which pick up dirt and dust better than regular cloths. A good multi-surface cleaner can also speed things up by allowing you to clean different areas with the same product. You can try by keeping a small caddy with your essential cleaning tools and products for easy access as you move from room to room. Why it works? Using the correct tools for the job reduces the time spent scrubbing or going over the surfaces multiple times. Speed cleaning tip number 4 is to set a timer. Professional cleaners often work under time constraints, which pushes them to stay focused. You can do the same by setting a timer for each room or area. Give yourself 15 to 20 minutes per room. Stay on task and avoid distractions like checking your phone or wandering off. Why it works? Working against the clock helps you stay motivated and prevents cleaning from dragging out. Speed cleaning tip number 5, clean one room at a time. Rather than bouncing between rooms, focus on cleaning one room completely before moving on to the next. This helps you to stay organized and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you finish each area. Start with the easiest room and then build momentum and move on to the more challenging areas like the kitchen. Concentrating on one room at a time prevents backtracking and ensures that each space gets a thorough, efficient clean. Speed cleaning tip number 6 is to use the two-handed method. Professional cleaners are efficient because they use both hands while working. With one hand, they clean surfaces, and with the other, they move objects or carry a tool. Hold a cleaning cloth in one hand and a spray bottle in the other, and you're always ready to clean without pausing. Why it works? This multitasking method allows you to clean faster and minimizes downtime between actions. Speed cleaning tip number 7, keep moving without backtracking. Professional cleaners move efficiently by developing a pattern, usually clockwise or counterclockwise around the room. This prevents them from revisiting areas that they've already cleaned. To do so, choose a starting point in the room and work in a consistent direction, finishing one area before moving on to the next. Why it works? It ensures that no areas are missed and prevents unnecessary re-cleaning of spots you've already tackled. Speed cleaning tip number 8, use multitasking products. Using a multi-purpose cleaner could be a real time saver. Instead of switching between multiple cleaning products for different surfaces, use one product that can tackle countertops, mirrors, and other areas. Invest in a high-quality, all-purpose cleaner that works on glass, wood, and tile surfaces to cut down on the number of products you use. Why it works? Fewer products means less time switching out between them, allowing you to clean multiple surfaces in one go. Speed cleaning tip number 9. Focus on high-traffic areas. Professional cleaners prioritize high-traffic areas like the kitchen, bathroom, and living room, where the dirt and grime accumulate more quickly. Speed cleaning these areas that are used daily and less time on rooms that you don't spend as much traffic in. This targeted approach ensures the areas that matter the most stay clean, while low-use spaces don't take up too much of your time. And finally, speed cleaning tip number 10 is to finish with the floors. Always leave cleaning the floors to the last. Vacuuming or mopping after dusting and wiping down surfaces ensures that you pick up the dirt and dust that has fallen. Quickly vacuum or mop floors after cleaning the rest of the room to remove any lingering dirt to give the space a final polished look. Why it works? Cleaning the floors last means you won't have to go over them again if dirt or dust falls while you're doing the other cleaning task. Speed cleaning doesn't mean cutting corners. It's about cleaning smarter, not harder. Speaking of cleaning smarter and not harder, I promised you I'd share my bonus tip number 11. My speed cleaning tip that I do every time I clean is to spray my hard surfaces like sinks, showers, toilets, and tubs, and allow the product to soak while I clean the rest of the home. By allowing the cleaning product to sit on the surface, it will begin breaking down the dirt and the grime, making it far easier to clean. By following these professional tips, you can cut down on cleaning time while still achieving excellent results. Whether you're doing a quick tidy up or a more thorough clean, these techniques will help you get the job done faster and more efficiently. Start applying these tips today and transform the way you clean. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you below in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. If you find it a struggle to get organized, there's likely a good reason why. As a matter of fact, I explore 11 reasons why you fail to get organized over on my blog, dmiddleton.com. If one of these 11 reasons sound familiar to you, I will give you some tips to overcome that obstacle and finally get organized. I will link that information for you below. You can get my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over on the blog, dmiddleton.com. If you are drowning in clutter, let me help inspire you. Clutter doesn't have to ruin your space. We're going to banish it. I do a year-long thorough declutter series over on the blog. In my series, we declutter 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. If that is something you need to do, join me at the link in this video description. You will receive a daily task through a weekly email. By the time you complete the series, you will have decluttered every room and space in your home. I have declutter lists for each room over at dmiddleton.com. I want to inspire you to create a home for everything and to make your housework more manageable and less time-consuming. Once the clutter is gone, you'll spend far less time cleaning house. So don't keep things around that take up your valuable space and time. Declutter it. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.